Ya inilah viewnya, segitu doang. Dan soal Karen, soal plankton itu ya Google Assistant, kalian pernah, saya kan sering ngajak kalian gitu, ini saya praktekkan. Oke Google, come on. Oke Google, I'm feel alone.
Everyone gets lonely sometimes.
Here for you, I'm here for you. Okay Google, can you amuse me?
Time for some fun. We can play a trivia game. I can give you a fun fact, or you can spin the wheel. What do you want to try?
Okay Google, I wanna try fun fact.
With pleasure. I admire your curiosity. Humans have more than 5 senses. Scientists argue there could be up to 23 senses. These include proprioception, the sense of your body's position, and kinesthesia, the sense of movement.
Okay, now you make me feel so dizzy Google. Okay Google, can you show me where I am? I'm gone, I'm lost.
I'm sorry, that must be hard.
That must be her. Okay, just tell me where I am, where I am, where I am. Okay Google, where I am.
Your current location is Sapor, Nadirejo, Mojogadang, Karanganyar Regency, Central Java.
Okay Google, I think I have to go home. Okay Google, find a way back home. Kok malah home? Okay Google, give me direction to my home.
It looks like I don't have your home address. Let's fix that. What's the address?
My address is in your heart.
Later.
Wih, dia bales bro.